Just 1 minute. Just keep quiet, Mr. Jaitley. 3 points, quick points I'll make, Arnab. First of all, I find your argument, invoking the anti-national cause completely trivial in this situation. For God's sake, look at your own television footages and see girls cheering teams across the boundary line with India painted on one side, Pakistan painted on the other side.
There is a difference between cheering cricket.
No,
Samir Kaul, Mr. Kaul, now let me, I just want to respond. Briefly hear me. I will only tell you this. Briefly hear me. There is a strong liberal argument which can be made that we must foster cricketing relations between both sides. We therefore, wear the signs of Pakistan and India on two cheeks. 1 minute, Mr. Dr. Kaul. You made a point, so let me respond. You are for, and we are for India-Pakistan cricketing ties. But there is, no, 1 second. There is a huge difference between supporting India-Pakistan cricket and cheering in a public situation where you already have a charged atmosphere, right? A Pakistani victory in a public and boisterous manner. That's the argument made. So, Samir Kaul, I just wanted to explain that point to you. Yes, please go ahead now. Go ahead anyway. Let's not move away from the point. Yeah. Sir, but what's your point to Mr. Jaitley?
The other point that the second point is not to Mr. Jaitley. It's actually to, you might call it competitive politics, but it is not. What happened to these boys after they landed in Delhi? They had to, the boys themselves told you they had to sleep on the footpaths. You know why? Because a supposedly liaison officer of our moribund government, if not...
I'm not interested in your local Kashmiri politics.
Respond to phone calls?
I'm not interested in your Kashmir politics.
No, it is...
No, I'm not interested.
It's a matter of fact that I'm presenting.
Don't bring it down. Don't bring everything down to that.
There to look after these boys.
Don't bring everything down to that situation. Okay, now at this point, I'm going to Sudhanshu Trivedi, who's raised his hand for some time. Sudhanshu Trivedi, yes.
Third point, so just a quick point. I request the BJP and other parties to think sane and not to allow one organ of a body to cut the other organ to pieces. We have to live together. We have to live together as a human being. Let us not create more crisis in that mistrust that exists between the peoples of two states or within this country.
Let the BJP... Yes, Mr. Trivedi, go ahead. Mr. Trivedi, straight, it's over to you. Mr. Rasool, after that.
Yes, I agree that these boys should be allowed to grow up, as your panelist has said. But grow up in which situation? There has to be some limit. Even in the student is allowed to learn in the university or school or college, there is certain limit of discipline. And as Mr. Jaitley was saying that the Samajwadi Party government has not instigated anything. Yes, of course, they need not to instigate anything. Because as soon as Samajwadi Party government comes in power in Uttar Pradesh and the Congress government comes in power in center, automatically the psychological atmosphere among a certain communities and the communal atmosphere becomes such a situation. And all the matters related to national security and national integrity become to such a low level.
How is this matter one of national security?
Occurs automatically.
How is this matter a matter of national security?
If the state of India is facing such a situation that the national song Vande Mataram can be opposed, it's okay. Certain sections in Kerala said that they will not sing the national anthem, Jan Gan Man. Still the state of India says it's okay. When the rare of the rarest crime on the attack of on Parliament, it has been described by the Supreme Court, still the Jammu Kashmir Chief Minister comes for clemency. Still it is said it is okay.
Two hands go up.
Where is the limit?
Shabnam Lone and Mr. Abid Rasool both want to come in.
No, what did the... No.
Shabnam Lone first.
Arnab, may I make a point?
Briefly.
No, all these Kashmiri politicians here, I saw Mr. Saifuddin Soz on Times Now today. What was he saying? That we should not make a statement. And Mr. Trivedi, kindly BJP, I would request, kindly don't give sermons. And don't give sermons on communalism. I think you have to go a long way off. And what all of us need to understand that Hindus,
we are
Muslims,
not giving sermons.
Need to
there are examples when the Naxals have pulled down 100
yes, you are giving sermons. Don't tell us how to... I know.
There was a celebration in the university in New Delhi. Then still everything remains silent. And the discussions go on the nuances whether they should be allowed or not.
Stop being patronizing. Stop being patronizing. Stop being patronizing, Mr. Trivedi.
We are leading into a very difficult situation.
Don't tell us how we need to live
about
here.
what is the nationalism and what is the national integrity. I appeal to all the political parties. Come out of their regional interest and the political interest. At least reach some consensus as all the major countries of the world are coming, whether it is United States, UK, Britain, Germany, Australia or other things. Unfortunately, it is not happening.
The debate therefore is on, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute. The debate therefore is on, Abid Rasool Khan, we are coming to a critical point of this debate on what is the freedom of speech and what are the limits of the freedom of speech. Now, I just have one point to make to you. A news channel, for example, or a newspaper cannot and should not under any circumstances, even as a mistake, a willful mistake, will be punished if it publishes the wrong map of India, right? Or if it allows open sedition, right, on the channel, which violates the integrity of India. This is a clause, and therefore I assume, Abid Rasool Khan, you agree with me that the freedom of speech is not absolute. This is something that journalists are often told. In this case, does the same rule not apply? Now, one can argue as to whether suspension is enough or the charge of sedition is too much. But does the same argument not apply in this case as well?
Yeah, Arnab, as I told you earlier, I again tell you that hurting the feeling of somebody through celebrations which are for another country by an Indian citizen definitely is not acceptable at any cost. There is no two ways about that. But because speaking last and being very patient, I would like to also prick on 2-3 issues which have been discussed. One is Mr. Jaitley saying that he doesn't know how many people were charged in a sensitive case after about 4 to 5 days after the FIR was lodged.
That's what he says.
Why the FIR was lodged.
You don't believe him?
Clause.
Is he lying?
Yes,
is he lying?
Yeah, no, that shows how the government works there. That shows how. No, I want to say how the government works there and how responsible they are towards such a sensitive issue. And secondly, my BJP co-panelist
Madhukar Jaitley, 1 second. On this point, I'll come back to you, Madhukar Jaitley.
Let me complete.
You made a point on him.
Let me complete. I did not interfere. Let me complete. Let me complete it. I have heard you. Let me complete. Now, my BJP friend and my co-panel is saying that on the national interest and on the national security, my two questions to him is, Chief Minister of BJP government from Goa going and calling on terrorists who have been convicted, is that not against the national interest? His co-partner in this election, RSS, not unfurling the national flag on Republic Day, is that not against national interest? So here the debate is an excellent debate what you have started, and we all need to stand together and say that in the national interest, we all need to control all these type of elements which can create any problems.
That should be told. That point should go to...
They are Indians, but then
you should...
And they need to understand the feelings of the Indians, and they have to control their feelings if they have.
I am sure Dr. Samir Kaul will agree with you on that you cannot divorce. Samir Kaul, at the end of the day, you cannot divorce national sentiment. No, 1 second. You cannot divorce national sentiment. एक मिनट
This is not hyper sentiment. This is not a normal national sentiment. This is hyper sentiment, my friend.
Why is it hyper sentiment?
This isn't a normal level of normal sentiment.
This is, you're not playing.
I mean, can you please football fans?
This is not a.
Are they being anti-national?
Political gain, trying to isolate a community.
You are digging into personal freedoms. Absolutely wrong. This is absolutely wrong. And I feel that
even in Islam, it says that you have to
this is not a Hindu-Islam issue. Don't make it a religious issue. It's not a religious issue. Don't try to make it one.
Mr. Arnab,
don't try to make it one.
Mr. Arnab,
it's not, but you have...
One second. This debate began. 1 second. 1 second. 1 minute.
You are on politics. You are trying to isolate the community.
There are some other students, यूपी के स्टूडेंट्स है, दिल्ली के स्टूडेंट्स है, और ये मसला इसलिए इतना क्रिटिकल बना क्योंकि अब इलेक्शन आने वाले हैं and everyone tries to play politics.
No, to you, can I say one thing?
Where was your liaison officer?
No, to the students, I'd say one thing.
Where was your liaison officer?
To the students, 1 minute. To the students. I want to say something to the students. Please hear me.
Yes, sir.
We are all Indian citizens. My dear young friends, we are all Indian citizens, right?
Yes, sir,
we are all Indian citizens.
To be Indian.
Now you want to listen to me, please? We are all Indian students. This is not a India-England India-Bangladesh, India-Mauritius or India-China match. It's a India-Pakistan cricket match. Now, I am sure that you would be proud of being an Indian citizen. And therefore, the only thing I'd say to you, while it can be argued, no, 1 second, young man, just listen to me. While it can be argued that sedition charges against you were inappropriate, I am sure you will also appreciate the sentiments, I am sure you will appreciate the sentiments of all Indians that after India-Pakistan cricket match, you should not do something which upsets the sentiments of everybody else, at least not publicly. And I'm just saying this to you so that I hope you understand where we are coming from on that, right? You can support cricket, we are all cricket lovers.
Sir, I want to tell you one thing. If Afridi is your favorite player, and Afridi has played very well, did you not cheer for the Afridi?
Yeah, but I want
to tell you one thing. My favorite player is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is from the Indian team, and whenever Virat Kohli make a century or make 50, I
understood what you said.
Young man, another best batsman is Sachin Tendulkar. I cheer for Sachin Tendulkar. But same on the other side, Afridi is my favorite player. I cheer for Afridi because he has done a
there's a difference. 1 minute. There is a difference, young man. 1 minute, young man. I'll tell you one thing. It was not. Young man, I understand what you are trying to. You are trying to present your case saying I'm backing Afridi, not Pakistan. But I'll tell you this. Just go think about it, right? You're not celebrating Afridi's century or Afridi's half century. You are celebrating after Pakistan won an India-Pakistan cricket match, and doing that publicly will cause great discomfort to a lot of people. Now, you can disagree with me, but I'm just making that point to you.
We understand, sir. We understand that, sir. We understand that.
I'm sure you do. I'm sure you do.
We have told you, sir. And we have told you, sir, we didn't celebrate it publicly. We didn't celebrate it publicly. There is only, tell me first, अगर इंडिया एक डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री है, एक लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी है दुनिया में, तो हमें क्यों हक नहीं है कि किसी टीम को सपोर्ट करें? अगर आप
देखिए एक बात आपको मैं देखिए
ये बात हम मान रहे हैं. अगर
बरखुरदार एक मिनट, I'll make one point to you. मेरी बात सुनिए. You see, you understand this. You see, you can't do something which provokes other people. Okay, we are a great democracy. We are a great democracy, right? But you can't do something which provokes other people and which can create tension. You must not do that. And after all, please understand, you must be proud. We are all Indians. We are all proud of the Indian cricket team. When India, it's not an IPL match, young man. It's not an IPL match. It's not Lahore Lions versus Delhi Daredevils.
But it is a match. It's not a world war.
Yes, it's not. But you may feel. Now you can feel. Now I'll tell you one thing. Now 1 minute.
अगर इंडियन गवर्नमेंट बोल रही है कि पाकिस्तान के साथ रिलेशंस अच्छे होने चाहिए, अगर पाकिस्तान गवर्नमेंट ने ये सुना कि पाकिस्तान टीम की सपोर्ट पे ऐसा हुआ, तो क्या वो इस बात से रिलेशंस अच्छे होंगे?
देखिए
रिलेशंस कैसे अच्छे होंगे?
I think today just ask one.
तो ये कभी सॉल्व नहीं हो सकता.
Okay. So I've listened to you.
की बात कर रहे हैं आप.
मैंने आपकी बात सुनी. ये बीजेपी के जो है कुछ आपको कहना चाहते हैं. I don't want to provoke this situation anymore. Okay, please understand that, Mr. Trivedi. I have made my point amply clear. और शबनम लोन जो है उन्होंने भी आपको कहा कि भारत में पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीम को सपोर्ट करना ये अलाउड नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, आप कर सकते हैं, अपने ड्राइंग रूम में कीजिए, मगर आप अगर कहें कि हम बाहर पब्लिकली एक मिनट मैं बाहर पब्लिकली सेलिब्रेट करूंगा, तो सुनिए भाई साहब, सुनिए. एक ऐसा है कि हर चीज की एक सीमा, एक हद होती है. आप प्राइवेटली सेलिब्रेट करें, ठीक है, मगर आप कल मोर्चा निकाले पाकिस्तान के विक्ट्री को लेकर, तो फिर आप कई लोगों को परेशान करेंगे. कई लोग पूछेंगे ये आपका देश है, जब भारत क्रिकेट मैच में जीतता है, 1 minute. Now I won't get into this argument with you. There are 2 other people who are saying something. I'll listen to them before I wrap this up. I'm completely surprised. You're an Indian and you obviously expected to support the Indian cricket team. Now, if you make a theoretical argument that I can support China, if you have an India-China match, or an India-Bangladesh match, I'll start supporting Bangladesh. Well, theoretically you can, but it's a little difficult to understand why. That's all. And certainly to do it publicly is an absolute act of provocation. That's all. Now, Mr. Trivedi wants to say something. Now, Mr. Trivedi is speaking. Yes, Mr. Trivedi. Quickly, Mr. Trivedi and Ms. Lone, and then I'm wrapping this up.
Yes. This theoretical logic could have some sort of locus standi, even though it is ridiculous and dangerous, if anybody who is speaking this would have uttered a single word when a head of our soldiers have been cut down and taken down by the Pakistan army. If you have not spoken a single word on that occasion and not expressed your anguish,
Shabnam Lone, last word to Shabnam Lone. This is not war.
In my
this
opinion,
is not war.
this is a question mark.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, if you notice this, and let me tell you this, no channel but this channel, when the incident happened there of the Indian soldiers being beheaded, you know how we raised the point about it. We asked the questions to Pakistan. We put more pressure on their public opinion that perhaps our government But I say this to you.
I'm not putting any allegation on the channel. I am asking to those who are defending this.
But Sudhanshu Trivedi, I'm saying this to you. You draw the line and let us say or do nothing today which deepens any divide between any people. We are trying to bring people together, not divide them. Shabnam Lone is the last word. Yes, Shabnam Lone. And that's the last word to this debate.
Mr. Trivedi of the BJP, I have a simple question for you. Do you think the Uttar Pradesh government overreacted by slapping 124A sedition charge against these Kashmiri students? Simple question. Please answer in yes or no.
I have already given an answer that as soon as Samajwadi Party government comes in Uttar Pradesh, everything comes to the boiling point.
Gentlemen.
From Muzaffarnagar riots to riots in Allahabad, and other things. So the situation becomes in a turbulent mode.
As I wrap this up, now whether people like it or not, supporting a Pakistani team after an India-Pakistan cricket match, while being allowed under the broad contours of the Indian Constitution and may not amount to an act of sedition, is totally and completely unacceptable, especially if it is done publicly. Now, the PDP representative can say it's not, but that's your opinion and you have your right to have it. Samir Kaul will debate. Yes, it's not war, but within sport as well, Samir Kaul, do not tell me that within sport, cricket, India-Pakistan match, there is no element of nationalism. And if there is an element of nationalism, we know which nation we belong to there. Thank you very much. We know which nation we belong to. There should be no doubt on that. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for debate number 1. Thank you very much indeed.